I'm Momito. For those of you who don't know me or not been watching my videos, welcome. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I will be discussing the makeup tools as I had promised. And so I just want to start with showing you my beautiful, beautiful dress that I got from my new store, Boutique 1861. So it is really, really beautiful, and you can see the detailing at the end. It's really nice. This video is not about the dress, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful it is. It has slits at one side and slit at the other side, and it's super amazing. Yeah. So let's continue with the makeup, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over. I don't have the makeup palettes. Sorry about that. So I'll just go over what I have. I just wanted to show you guys the eye strips. I have not used them a long time. So these tools you can use. These are the quick makeup stencil stickers. So if you are a beginner for using makeup to shape the eye, you could use these. And I have them, like, I have shorts with these, so they come in like cat eye style and classic look and different looks. So these are very useful for makeup tools if you have like any form of mobility issues too. Not so much. You could use these as well, and also there's a right side and a left, so it gives you the one to place at the right eye and the one to place at the left, so it's very, very straightforward. Okay, and these ones are the eyebrow stencils as well. So for the eyebrows, it comes in 3 different types. So basically, if you want your eyebrows to be, this one is a bit thicker, and this is like the style I'm using now. So sorry guys, I don't have all the stuff. I'm just showing you the tools. Next time I will do some demos for you. So basically, you position it, and you could place whatever gel, or even you could use mascara if you don't have anything to put. But you just like basically place it there and apply whatever you want, and you could flip it over and you use it for both sides. Like this one, you could use it for the right eye, and you could use it for the left as well. You just flip it over, right or left, and it works well that way. So that's one too. And sometimes I like to put like these little dots to decorate the face. There, I have it in my shorts, so that's good too. And very, very useful tools are these stickers for. I'll remove it for you. So it comes with the back end, so you can really remove the back and stick it on your face. It's easy to remove as well. So it has like an easy sticker thing, and you just place it right here. You just stick it on, and you apply your makeup. Super, super stunning. You apply your makeup just like that, and you can reuse this if you like. And another one are these little makeup sponges, so you can get to the creases. For those of you who have not tried these are super useful. And a tip of using this for the eye area, always use your ring finger here, because it's it gives less pressure for the eyes. And for this tool here, I will link the name and where you can find it. I got these ones from, I got them from several places. This one is from Timu. So you could put like lipstick, and you could put like a little shape. It has a heart shape here, and you could put it on your face to make it pretty. And you could use a whole tool for other things. This one you could also use here to do the eyeshadow. So this is very multifunctional. I like it very much. Don't forget your lashes. And I also have this one here. This is another sponge for your, it works. And tweezers, guys, tweezers. I use I have like maybe 6 or 7 different tweezers. This one is really good for shaping up your eyebrows, and I'll put the names and stuff below, link it down below too. And the pointy ones, I use it to do my lashes. I find it very useful, so that's a useful tip. And the flat ones, you could use it for other section of your lashes, so those are useful. It's very useful to have different shapes. I like a lot of them. It's, yeah. And this tool here, you've seen it all over TikTok and YouTube. It's very, very useful, and also you could use it for, it's multifunctional as well. And you just position it to do like your cat eye shape or whatever shape you want for your eyeshadow. So I really like this one. It's very useful, and I've seen the girls using it like on different section of your face to do. It's multifunctional, so if you want to get that, I would suggest go ahead and get that one. I just want you to know as well that this video may be in sections, so if I cut out, then I'll be back. I'll just cut and paste and just continue on, so be aware of that. I'll remove this from my face, and I'll show you just removing it. See how it stays in place, and when you remove it, your makeup is like on point, and it's reusable. You can reuse it on your left side, right side. And this tool, it's useful as well. I like using the little tiny part here for my eyebrows. You can comb really well if you have brows to comb, and then you just like position it in shape, in space, and here you could use it to curl your lashes. There are other ways of using this. So it has like smaller combs and larger one at the bottom. So this tool is useful. And for a lot of content creators, when you are doing if you have like peach fuzz or whatever, you could use something like this. I got this from the Vintage Company. I have a whole whack of these, and yeah, today I have this. So you could use it to make your face look nice and smooth. And you could use it for your eyebrows as well, so that's also multifunctional. And this one, if you have like unruly eyebrows, you could just use it to trim. So this is from the Vintage Company as well, and it's very useful. Or you could use it for other things if you want. So I have just yeah, so I don't have a lot of makeup tools. I just wanted to come on here, show you guys what I've been using so far. And you can have like little face these things here, face decorations, and make it fun and pretty. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think about my dress and what makeup tool you've seen for the first time, and let me know what makeup tool you'll be trying. So that's it for today's video. I will link what I can below, and if for some reason you wish for me to explain more or link something, or if you have suggestions or questions in regards to these makeup tools, let me know. Please leave me pink bow emojis down below and whatever pink emojis you like. Happy summer, guys. Love you lots. Bye for now. So don't forget to subscribe.